This 5-minute solution will show you how to change font on Instagram story. First of all, let's go to Insta application and let's create a story. And now if I write something here, at this bottom here we can see some font style. We can select any font from this available font list. And now to use a font which one is not listed at this menu, all you have to need, go to your browser and here search for font style. And now here you will get a bunch of different websites where you can easily generate a stylish font. So I'm going to opening this first website. And now in this box, I'm typing my text. And now here you will get lots of stylish font. Just tap on the font that you want to use in your story and tap on copy. Once you copied the font, go to your Insta application story and here you can easily paste the font. As you can see, let's copy another font style. Tapping on load more fonts and let's add this font. Let's add another stylish font. So this is how we can easily change our Instagram story font. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.